When starting an electrical contracting company, several types of insurance are crucial for protecting your business. Firstly, general liability insurance is important. Aim for coverage of $1 to $2 million per occurrence and $2 to $5 million in aggregate. Secondly, workers' compensation insurance is a must. Ensure you comply with the state law requirements for workers' compensation. Thirdly, commercial auto insurance is needed. They should include liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage for your work vehicles. Fourthly, consider equipment and tools insurance. This covers theft, damage, or loss of your equipment and tools. Fifthly, builder's risk insurance is useful. This covers projects under construction. Sixthly, professional liability, also known as errors and omissions or E&O, insurance is important. This provides coverage for errors and omissions in your professional services. Regarding selling your tools and van to the corporation, it is a valid strategy to reduce the corporation's initial profits. Firstly, determine the fair market value of your assets. You can hire an appraiser to determine the fair market value of your tools and vehicles. Secondly, create a detailed bill of sale. The bill of sale should include a description of each asset, the purchase price, and the date of sale. Thirdly, transfer ownership of the assets to the corporation. Sign the bill of sale to formally transfer ownership. Fourthly, file Internal Revenue Service Form 8949 to report the transfer and establish the corporation's basis in the assets. Now let's discuss leasing versus selling your van. This decision depends on several factors. One factor is tax implications. Selling the van may generate capital gains tax, while leasing may provide tax deductions. Another factor is cash flow. Leasing frees up cash flow, but you may incur higher long-term costs. A third factor is ownership. Selling the van makes the corporation the owner, while leasing gives you continued ownership. A fourth factor is flexibility. Leasing allows for easier upgrades or replacements in the future. Here are some additional pieces of advice for starting your electrical contracting business. Firstly, choose the right business structure. Consider a limited liability company, S corporation, or C corporation based on factors such as tax liability, legal protection, and ownership structure. Secondly, develop a detailed business plan. Your business plan should outline your business goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Thirdly, establish a website and social media presence. Creating an online presence will help you showcase your services and connect with potential clients. Fourthly, network and market your business. Attend industry events, join trade organizations, and reach out to potential clients through networking and advertising. Finally, get legal and accounting help. Consult with an attorney to ensure compliance with legal requirements and an accountant to establish a sound financial structure. It is crucial to accurately determine the fair market value of the assets you are transferring to the corporation. An independent appraisal is the best way to establish this value and support your tax filings. When drafting the bill of sale, include serial numbers, model numbers, and detailed descriptions of each tool and vehicle to avoid any ambiguity. The purchase price should reflect the fair market value determined by the appraisal. Properly documenting the transfer of ownership is crucial for legal and tax purposes. Ensure that the bill of sale is signed and dated by both parties, you as the seller and the corporation as the buyer. Internal Revenue Service Form 8949 is used to report the sale or other disposition of capital assets. Complete this form accurately to report the transfer of your tools and vehicle to the corporation and to establish the corporation's cost basis in these assets. Carefully consider the tax implications of selling versus leasing your van. Selling the van may result in a capital gain or loss, which must be reported on your tax return. Leasing the van may allow the corporation to deduct the lease payments as a business expense. Consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for your specific situation. When choosing a business structure, consider the long-term implications for your business. Unlimited liability company provides liability protection and pass-through taxation. An S corporation can help you reduce your self-employment tax liability. A C corporation may be more suitable for larger businesses with multiple shareholders. A well-developed business plan is essential for success. It serves as a roadmap for your business and helps you attract investors and secure financing. Your business plan should include a detailed market analysis, a description of your products and services, a marketing plan, a management team description, and financial projections. Creating a professional website and engaging in social media marketing can significantly increase your visibility and attract new clients. Showcase your expertise, highlight successful projects, and provide valuable content to your target audience. Networking and marketing are essential for building relationships and generating leads. Attend industry conferences, join local business organizations, and participate in community events. Consider using online advertising, email marketing, and content marketing to reach a wider audience. Seeking legal counsel can help you navigate the complex legal requirements for starting and operating an electrical contracting business. An attorney can advise you on issues such as contracts, licensing, insurance, and employment law. An accountant can help you establish a sound financial structure, manage your cash flow, and ensure compliance with tax regulations. They can also assist you with financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Keep accurate records of all your business transactions. This includes income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Good record keeping is essential for tax compliance and financial management. Regularly review your financial statements to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. This includes your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Stay up to date on the latest industry trends and technologies. Attend training courses, read industry publications, and participate in online forums to expand your knowledge and skills. Continuously improve your customer service skills. Provide prompt, professional, and reliable service to your clients. Word-of-mouth referrals are a powerful source of new business. Consider offering incentives to encourage satisfied customers to refer their friends and colleagues. Invest in quality equipment and tools. This will help you work more efficiently and effectively. Regularly maintain your equipment and tools to ensure they're in good working order. Prioritize safety in all your operations. Implement a comprehensive safety program and provide regular safety training to your employees. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits. This includes state and local electrical licenses, business licenses, and any required permits for specific projects. Comply with all applicable building codes and regulations. This will help you avoid costly fines and legal issues. Establish a strong brand identity. This includes your company name, logo, and overall image. Your brand identity should be consistent across all your marketing materials. Price your services competitively. Research the market rates for electrical contracting services in your area. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new customers. Manage your cash flow effectively. Track your income and expenses carefully. Invoice your clients promptly and follow up on overdue payment. Build strong relationships with your suppliers. This can help you get better pricing and terms on materials and equipment. Consider joining a trade association. This can provide you with access to valuable resources, networking opportunities, and advocacy support. Stay informed about changes in the electrical industry. This includes new technologies, regulations, and safety standards. Continuously seek opportunities to improve your business operations. This includes streamlining your processes, improving your efficiency, and reducing your costs. Be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions. The electrical contracting industry is constantly evolving. You need to be flexible and adaptable to stay competitive. Maintain a positive attitude. Starting and running a business can be challenging. It is important to stay positive and focused on your goals. Seek advice from other entrepreneurs. Learn from their experiences and avoid common mistakes. Celebrate your successes. Recognize and reward your employees for their hard work and dedication. Give back to your community. Support local charities and organizations. Be ethical and honest in all your business dealings. This will help you build a strong reputation and earn the trust of your customers. Develop a long-term vision for your business. Where do you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years? Set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful business. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stay persistent and keep working hard. Believe in yourself. You have the skills, knowledge, and determination to succeed. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Running your own electrical contracting company can be a rewarding experience. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and build a successful business. The key to success is to be well prepared, work hard, and never give up. Consider consulting with a business coach or mentor. A coach or mentor can provide you with guidance, support, and accountability. They can also help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and develop a plan to overcome challenges. Attend industry workshops and seminars. These events can provide you with valuable knowledge and skills. They can also help you network with other professionals in the electrical industry. Read books and articles about business and entrepreneurship. There are many great resources available that can help you learn about business management, marketing, finance, and other important topics. Join online forums and communities for electrical contractors. These forums can provide you with a valuable source of information and support. You can ask questions, share ideas, and learn from the experiences of others. Be active in your local community. This can help you build relationships and generate leads. Volunteer your time, sponsor local events, and participate in community organizations. Seek out opportunities to partner with other businesses. This can help you expand your reach and offer a wider range of services. Consider forming a joint venture or strategic alliance with another company. Be prepared to invest in your business. This includes investing in equipment, marketing, and training. You may also need to invest in hiring employees and expanding your facilities. Be willing to take risks. Starting and running a business involves taking risks. You need to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn from your mistakes and not repeat them. Be resilient. There will be times when you face setbacks and challenges. It is important to be resilient and bounce back from these setbacks. Surround yourself with positive people. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Take care of your health. Starting and running a business can be stressful. It is important to take care of your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, and exercise regularly. Make time for your family and friends. Don't let your business consume your entire life. It is important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Be grateful for your success. Take time to appreciate your accomplishments and be thankful for the opportunities that you have been given. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride and learn from your experiences along the way. Be a lifelong learner. The world is constantly changing. It is important to continuously learn and grow throughout your career. Stay curious and be open to new ideas. Be passionate about your work. When you are passionate about what you do, it will be easier to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Be a leader. Inspire and motivate your employees to achieve their full potential. Create a positive and supportive work environment. Be a role model. Set a good example for your employees to follow. Be a mentor. Help others to develop their skills and advance their careers. Be a team player. Work collaboratively with your employees, customers, and partners. Be a problem solver. Identify and solve problems quickly and efficiently. Be a decision maker. Make timely and informed decisions. Be a communicator. Communicate clearly and effectively with your employees, customers, and partners. Be a negotiator. Negotiate fair and equitable agreements. Be a manager. Manage your time, resources, and employees effectively. Be a marketer. Promote your business effectively. Be a salesperson. Sell your services effectively. Be a financer. Manage your finances effectively. Be a lawyer. Understand and comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Be an entrepreneur. Create and grow a successful business.